research needs to work hand in hand with industry that are producing various products that may be emitting things to the environment, or there may be some byproducts that may have particular issues associated with them. And try to take a step back from that to see whether or not there's replacement products, whether there's applications of different processes to change byproducts or waste products or emissions from production of various products. So it's really working hand in hand and then applying the fundamental research into practice. There's a vast amount of research that's being undertaken, and it's fantastic research that sits on the shelves that really doesn't get utilised. It's an untapped resource. We need to get into that fundamental research and push it into the applied side so that we can utilise the outcomes and the hard work that's been undertaken to generate that data to then put it into practice.